The sky turned gray, I stepped into the street, felt the static rising from the soles of my feet. Walked out the door with my head in the clouds, leaving the ghosts in the wintertime crowds. Forgot my umbrella, left it cold on the floor. Now I'm catching the rhythm of the April pour. I'm soaked to the bone, yeah, I'm drenched, no doubt, but this is what the magic is all about.